Alright, I don't know if I done a video on this. I can't remember. I don't think I did. But here's a Galaxy 37, 13, 12, something like that. Or 13, 14, or 37, I don't know. Anyway, I got this from Fan More Man. Also, Christian Clark is his name. While back, I forgot to post a video of it. Anywho, it has a plastic motor, as you can see. Now, it's pretty yellowed out back here. Very yellowed out. Yeah. And fair warning, it is going to be pretty loud, so ears low. As you all can hear, I have Jeopardy on the back. More medium. Then we'll go to high. Then we'll go to off. Yeah, it's not labeled on them. At least on the switch plate it's not, but obviously labeled there. Good running fan, I like it. Happy to have one. I want the turquoise version or green, whatever the hell color it is. Almost like a blue, but with the white blades on them. There's a ton of them at my school, but chances of me getting one is slim to none. But yeah. Anyway, that's it, and until next time.